Assalamualaikum brothers, how are you? I think you are fine. Presently you are watching that is this is a solar inverter, and you can observe that some distortion voice is coming from these fan. As you well aware that these both fan are working to give the coolness of this whole system of the motherboard, chipboard, modules of this solar inverter, and usually the fan is not working properly. I think in this fan some problem. Some days back I done I removed the problem from this, and now the problem is existing in which, and creating some distortion sound from there. And today I shall inform you that how you can remove it. If you don't remove it, this fan shall not work properly. So due to this, it can be stopped, it can be blocked due to this system was heated up, and might be so it can catch fire. So the solution which I sought at home base, I inform you. First of all, as and when you feel that, you first of all switch off this inverter, and also all supply must be also be switched off. And later on, I after switching off, I shall inform you that what I sought the solution of it. Now the inverter has been switched off, all its supply has also been off, and further its cell current has also been discharged, getting it on. So now you can take any waste cloth, and you should to clean it properly so no dust can remain there. And further, in the middle size middle position of these fans, you should to drop one or two drop of oil. I take saving machine oil, because you know that every house such type of saving machine oil is available, and you put one or two drop at the end of this tester, and after taking it, you drop it from the surface of the fan of middle position, as there. So as you are watching that there is no enough space, and it cannot be properly space available to drop there. And from there to there, I think approximately maximum 1 inch distance is available. So you should take one or two drop there and drop it at the middle position of the fan, and later on it will be how it will be perform the function. I get demo it after dropping it, so let's wait. Now brother, my inverter, solar inverter is on, its supply is on, and you will observe that nothing any distortion now is available, everything is smooth, and you can observe. So this was a simple tip, and I want to share with you that you can also get advantage of it, because this is a home solution of stopping the inverter fan, and how you can give the saving oil to your fan to get a smooth functioning of it. So it was my guidance, it was my tip which I want to give you. And at last I request you that kindly, if you like to my this tip, this guidance, kindly share it and also like it and also subscribe it, so that such type of guidance, such type of a homemade solution can you meet on daily basis, because I upload a video at my channel. So my channel may also be subscribed. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.